Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Vision channel. So friends, today I will talk about FSP U691 full tower case with 3-side tempered glass. So friend, the FSP has announced the full tower PC case blend transparent panel and strategic airflow to satisfy builders who prioritize both form and function, and 3-side front, top and left. You will find 4 mm tempered glass panel mounted to 0.8 mm SPCC steel framework, and these panels showcase the internal components while preserving structural integrity, and steel mesh panel fitted with dual filter occupy with bottom and right side and challenging external air into the chassis without letting dust accumulate inside. And inside, the U691 offer ample room, 451 mm in height, 258 mm in width, and 568 mm in depth. And interior accommodate standard ATX motherboard in either orientation, and as well as micro ATX and mini ATX form factor, and GPU clearance extended to 420 mm, so even extended graphics card fit comfortably. And power supply depth max out of 250 mm, and which cover most high voltage model. And for drivers, there is a one universal base that accept 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch unit, and two dedicated 3.5-inch bay and three 2.5-inch bays, and these are mounted behind the motherboard tray and removable HDD bracket, keeping cables tidy. So friend, the cooling support doesn't stack. A 120 mm PWM fan with addressable air lightning is pre-installed at the rear. And on the right side, you can mount for 120 mm fans and three 140 mm fans or swap in a 480 mm radiator for cooling solution. And below the bottom panel, from three more 120 mm fans, and you will also find 8 GB strip. And the front panel I/O is positioning along the right front foot for easy access. It provides two USB-A port rated at 5 Gbps each and single USB-C port, and matching contemporary motherboard headers and devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.